Make sure this one's tight. One more time.
One more time. I can get like that one.
Good. Okay, now you can take this out. And put it in the box. And then you're gonna grab this tool, that one. And you're gonna screw in. You see an arrow on it? Arrow on this part? See the arrow?
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in that way. So you're gonna,
right?
gonna put it in right there.
But you can't put it on the other side.
And screw it in until it stops. Make sure it's straight.
It's really slow.
Yep, now get that tool, your wrench. Yep.
My wrench.
And now you're gonna tighten it.
Tighten it?
Yep.
This way?
Yep, keep going until it stops.
It stopped.
Stop. There's a little bit more space in there. Keep going.
It was this way, right?
Good job. Wait, make sure it's, yep.
Got it on it.
Good job. Ready? Go. Hold on.
Oh, it's bending.
Yeah, because you're trying to go all the way around. So just take it off and reset it and then go down.
Oh, yeah, because this time to go like the other one.
Yeah.
Could go
Make sure the tool's all the way on though.
Yeah.
Now tighten.
It's time to get to the other one.
Yeah.
Get off, go back on.
Good job. Yep, keep going until it stops.
So now I can get like the...
Yep. Oh wait, I think it stops.
Yep, it
All right, we're gonna keep doing that. Then we'll come back after we get some more of them done. We are making these things.
Like the bottom, like is open a little bit.
Yes, sir. Got it off.
Huh?
I haven't looked at the bottom yet. What does the bottom look like? Ooh, not good.
Not good.
Not good. It's dirty. Quick note, There's a flat side and a inside. And the part that goes down is the inside. It's the inside. So this part, the engine part,